ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kumba ki record ka Scouts Guide Movement badan hashitulup ka perthei ki liya buram ya ka Founders Day and Thinking Day kumtaru ki bor penyai ka Bharat Scouts and Guide West Giant Hills haka arpu artruk rampang gila penlong ke jingi kenduk lang bekerpang hayeng terekam ke District Association ke badan hajawai. Ya ke jingi lang la penyai da ke CD lalu District Commissioner Guide MBSG West Giant Hills District kat ba ke Dolly Lamare District Organizer Guides West Giant Hills District kala ai ki kintin lam khamat lor ka thong jong ke ka program ke bedai ke singi kha jong Lord Baden Powell but ke Agnes Baden Powell ke bedai ki nong seng jong ka scouting house nam ka khandai spa hinyo but ka guiding house nam ka khandai spa shipau. UDE Pariat Commissioner MBSG kumusumbut kongsan ula ai min sim ki dekhot ka movement benle ika kam na ka binta ka baha ka miat ke imlang salang kat kum ka thong pa ka nong rim jong Scout Guides movement. KS Taryang Vice President MBSG West Giant Hills hakajing kran kalaong kajing kenduk lang hakum kani kesngi kanwan ra kajing sngo kowe da ka lenti kajing buram kelyang pa sngo shipara baban perkhat yaki kam baya dei ba ka baha ka miat ke imlang salang klam dawan ra kajing sngo ya pher. Ban penkerpang shu ek jingduk lang la IT ki certificate ki arngot ki Scouts Master ki bila pendep ek HWB course na Assam ki bekin thup u ADM Ubutho District Secretary MBSG West Giant Hills District berupet dha District Commissioner Scouts West Giant Hills District.
Importance of creating a sustainable world where all girls, Girl Guides and Boy Scouts have the opportunity to go forward or thrive. That means we are going to thrive, to show the world that we are really comes from a bright side for the future of the community. So every year is celebrated with a theme, and this theme helps us to help the environment fighting powerful poverty. We have lots. We find that the whole world suffer poverty, and also we have to achieve the gender equality. In some places, gender equality is not really, they don't even recognize it. They really put down the girls down and the men will be up. The men always look down at the ladies and really treated them so bad, if you find, especially in olden days, you find that men do. But through Scout and Guides, through these two powerful people that really want to take away all these. So this is the day that the Girl Guides and Scout worldwide will think of each other and express their feeling and gratitude and respect to all their brothers and sisters in the international movement. So the day has choose. The day itself choose on the 22nd February as a date because it was the birthday of these two great. A day to contribute love, a day to correct our brothers and sisters. If they made a mistake, if we find them doing anything that wrong, we can correct them. And the one who's being corrected, please receive and feel that you made a mistake and you've been corrected and you can receive it. That is love and that is peace between us.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.